So if you are still asking me to explain that, it means you are not satisfied. Or those NGOs you are talking about, or whoever is not satisfied, I'm sorry, that means they will never be satisfied. So I don't think I can satisfy you either. So please, you have to make your mind whether you are satisfied by those who explained it so many times before, or unless you are telling me you'll only be satisfied if I explain it. But if I explained it the same way you have already heard, I'm sure that may add up to not being satisfied again. So can we put that question to rest?
Satinho